It's cloudy again, but I have to pot this plant. This is the pot that I got, and we will add a little bit of soil mix using this brand called Ogao. Potting mix, half amount of vermicompost. Now guys, I am a beginner, don't judge me if I'm doing anything wrong. This vermicompost is completely wet. I think that will do. And mix it really well. You have to mix the soil really well. Okay. And with that, I will use a little amount of bone meal powder. So I'm gonna pot some morning glory right now. I got these seeds again from this brand. I purchased this one from Blinkit. Okay guys, I literally have so much to unbox. I mean, you guys have no idea how much package I have in front of me, and I just thought of doing this unboxing video. By the way, my room is a mess right now and I have to fix it, so that's why I ordered a lot of things from Amazon because I want to do some changes. I am completely bored of this theme. I mean, of course it's not going to be any major changes, but I just want to shift few things, maybe the bed cover, a little bit of lamp, something like that. I'm going to show you the whole process. I have clothes all over the floor. I don't know how am I going to show you this, but it's so bad right now. I have a lot of Amazon parcel plus Nykaa parcel as well, a few makeup stuff, and I also want to declutter a lot of products. I have this package from Amazon. What we have, I forgot what I ordered. Oh, this is a gym band that I ordered. A lot of you guys actually ask me which gym outfit do I wear. I always go with BlissClub because they do have some amazing, especially their AirMelt pant top that they have. It's so good, and I just thought, I do have a grey one, AirMelt grey pant, so I just thought of getting this pink, mauve pink one. It's so beautiful. And this is called AirMelt, and it's literally buttermelt. It's so soft, and I am a person, I cannot wear anything rough, anything plasticky, polyester type of a thing. I don't know what material this is, but it's literally so comfortable. It's called the AirMelt mauve flare pant, and the shape is also very beautiful. So I got this one, and I also got this. Oh, this is for my kitchen. I got this peeler, something like this, a thing over here, and then over here it's like a 3-in-1. I have to try it and see how this actually works. Again from Amazon. This is a detangling brush that I ordered for curly hair. I do have a brush, but I don't have anything in pink color, so I got this one. This is how it looks. It's a detangling brush. Oh wow, this is really nice. If you have curly wavy hair, please invest in a brush like this. You will see the magic. If you are using a regular brush, I don't know about your hair because it's going to ruin it a lot. Next parcel. This is a bathroom shelf. This is just a rack for your bathroom. Very pretty. And you get these two adhesive with this. Okay, next I ordered this pink bed sheet, which I'm gonna put right on my sofa because this cover is so dirty right now and I just have to remove it. So I thought of going with the pink one this time, and this is the one. I'm gonna put this for you guys and I will show you. It's the eyeshadow palette that I got. Again, very, very beautiful. Look at this. So pretty. Ooh. It's so beautiful. You can just charge it and it's good to go, and it looks so cute. Light is perfect. I don't want anything bright. And yeah, you can just, I don't know, oh, you can make it more bright as well. So beautiful. I got this anti-dandruff shampoo from L'Occitane, and it's really good. If you're looking for anti-dandruff shampoo, this is the one from L'Occitane. Okay, then from Sephora, I got this eyeshadow palette, and this was at, I think, 30% discount. This is the packaging. Beautiful color story. It's so pretty. I do have a lot of product from Nykaa. First is this eyeshadow palette. This is the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette in the shade Icon Matte Nude Eyeshadow Palette. This is the one. New launched product. This I purchased from Nykaa again. This is from Love Etc. And this is the Cream to Powder Blush that they recently launched. Very pretty shade. This is the spatula, just for your blackheads. I have some eyelashes. This is from Ardell, and this in the style 431. Some eyelash glue from PAC. Again, a blackhead remover from Bronson. That's it for the haul. Now I'm gonna start cleaning the room because I just cannot handle this anymore. I have to clean it. I just want to show you guys how it looks. This is the mess right now. This is the before. The table, you can see the mess. Then you're not ready for this. Look at this mess right over here. Oh my god, I am so embarrassed right now.